Nai Cavite. And thereof, early lead is taken by the outstanding favorite, Gentle Irony. And by the rail is Da Vinci. On the outside is Queen Cuba. And nearing the mid-back stretch is still Gentle Irony in the lead, followed by Da Vinci by the rail in second. Queen Cuba, Genghis Joy, his special best, and bringing up the rear is Gold Cugat. Nearing the far turn, Gentle Irony by 3.5 lengths, followed now by Special Best by the rail in between horses Da Vinci. On the outside, Queen Cuba, Genghis Joy, and Gold Cugat. Rounding the far turn, the outstanding favorite, Gentle Irony, maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead, followed by Da Vinci in second. On the outside is Queen Cuba, Genghis Joy. The last bend for home. It is still Gentle Irony by 3.5 lengths, followed by Da Vinci in second, and Queen Cuba remains in third. Genghis Joy and Gold Cugat moving up on the farther outside into the home stretch and nearing the fairway line. It is still Gentle Irony in the lead, followed by Da Vinci by the rail in second, and finally at the fairway line, entry number 3, Gentle Irony, winning this race in a very convincing manner. Da Vinci, Gold Cugat, Queen Cuba, Genghis